Hey guys, I want to walk through the few steps for setting up your calendars and syncing them. So as we go through here, we're in the dashboard. I'm logged in on basically my Sproutified as a user. And so we're in the dashboard. The first thing we want to go to and talk about is integration with Outlook calendars. That's a new thing that we just implemented. And so if we go down in the bottom left here under settings, we can go down on this first one under profile. And basically, if you want to integrate or sync your Outlook calendar, you just hit connect. And you're going to have to, Outlook is connected with Microsoft, so you're going to have to log in to your Microsoft account. And so make sure you know the username and password. So if we get in here, it says in the security info is accurate. So it is, it looks good. And I'm just going to hit stay signed in and go through these. And we have to allow Microsoft to access basically our Sproutified, which is considered lead connector. And as we go through here, it's going to ask a couple questions about your passwords. It's trying to get you to add a couple things. But right away, you can see this pops up, and we've got all our calendars over here. We have our primary calendar, and we have Jim.par, that's an Outlook calendar, which is totally separate from my other, but I can just click edit. And if I want to sync these, I could sync these deals right here, select calendar, and I could sync it into my Sproutified calendar, or I don't even need to sync it into those calendars. But if you've got a calendar already in the back end of Sproutified and you want to sync it into there, just select that calendar, whichever one that is. So that's on the Outlook connection or integration. If you want to connect Google calendars, which is primarily what I use, you need to go into your settings on the left here, and then go into calendars, and you want to create a new calendar, or if you already have a calendar in here, like maybe it's client retention calendar, you can click the three dots and click edit, and this will load. And then right down here, link calendars, I can select Google, and it will allow me to select any of my calendars in Google. If I go to calendars in Google, these are what I set up in Google. This is my primary calendar, and then I have a bunch of consultation calendars and stuff. And I can just basically select one of these and hit save, and that's synced into my calendars. If I save this and I go into my calendars, I'm not going to do it because I don't want that to happen right now. It'll show under scheduling, it'll show all my appointments that are in my Google Calendar in the calendar here. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help you out.